Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to play Goat Simulator split screen. First, gather your friends and make sure each person has a compatible controller ready. You can connect up to 4 controllers to your console or PC for a full 4-player experience. Once your controllers are connected, simply launch the game to begin the setup process. It's a straightforward way to dive into the chaotic world of goats together. Once you are on the title screen, the first player will already be active. For each additional player, simply press and hold the designated button on their controller. On Xbox, this is typically the X button, and on PlayStation, it's the square button. This action will add their goat to the screen, preparing them for the game. With all players successfully joined on the title screen, the first player can now initiate the game. You can choose to start a brand new adventure or continue from an existing save file. The game will automatically adjust to a split-screen view, allowing each player their own perspective. This seamless transition ensures everyone can immediately jump into the action. Now that you are all in the game, prepare for ultimate chaos. Work together to complete missions or simply explore the vast open world and discover its many secrets. You can also compete in several minigames for bragging rights. Remember, the goal is to cause as much hilarious destruction as possible with your friends by your side. Have fun.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.